Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Now, who doesn't love a little dressing with their salad? I know I do. So today I'll be showing you how to make 3 of my favorite salad dressings. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching. First up is going to be the crowd favorite, ranch dressing. Ranch dressing was created by a Nebraska cowboy named Stephen Henson, and it has been the best-selling salad dressing in the United States since 1992. And always use fresh dill. It's said that about 45% of Americans named ranch as their favorite dressing. Are you a part of that 45%? Let me know in the comment section below. Next up is honey mustard salad dressing. Now this dressing varies in its use. My daughter loves to dip her chicken nuggets in the honey mustard dressing, while I, on the other hand, love to drizzle it on a huge, crispy chicken salad. Each culture's honey mustard dressing is usually unique due to the sharpness in the mustard. And last but definitely not least is the Italian dressing. Now, Italian dressing is a vinaigrette type of salad dressing that's main ingredient are vinegar, oil, and a variety of herbs and spices. Despite its name Italian dressing, it's not used in Italy. Salads in Italy are usually dressed with olive oil, vinegar, salt, and sometimes balsamic vinegar. Italian dressing can also be used as a marinade for meat and vegetables. And there you have it, 3 of my favorite salad dressings. I hope you give these a try. These can be stored in glass containers in a refrigerator for up to 4 weeks. And as always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Tuesday and Friday when I post. Bye!